Hello kids, how are you all? I am Vikas Singh. I am your science teacher. So we had been studying chapter number 2. Yes, we had been studying chapter number 2. What is the name of chapter 2? What is the name of chapter 2? Look the screen, I have written the name. Look, chapter 2, P L A N T S, plants. AS is F O O D, food. Plants is food. Okay, so what did we study last time? Do you remember? We studied what do plants give? What do plants give? Yes, look the screen in red line, in red color, in red line I have written, I am reading, I am reading. W H A T, what do, D O do, P L A N T S, plants. G I V E, give. Yes, what do plants give? What do plants give? Yes, what do plants give? Many things. Plant give many things. Apple, lady finger. Can you see the picture of apple? Apple picture. Can you see apple picture? It is in red color. Yes, it is very good for health. Yes, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. And can you see the picture of lady finger? Yes, lady finger. Do you like lady finger? No? Okay, no problem. Okay, now give me the answer. What do plants give? What do plants give? Plants give many things. Okay, plants give many things. Which things? Let's read. Okay, so look on the screen. I am reading. I am reading the line. I am reading the line. What do plants give? Okay. P L A N T S, plants. G I V E, give. F R U I T S, fruits. V E G E T A B L E S, vegetables. C E R E A L S, cereals. P U L S E S, pulses. C O F F E, coffee. T E T S U G A R, sugar. O I L, oil. S P I C E S, spices. Yes, plants give fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, coffee, tea, sugar, oil, and spices. Yes, plants give many things. What does plant give? Fruits. Yes. Can you see the picture of fruit? Look the picture of fruit. There are many fruit. Banana, apricot, blueberry, blackberry. There are many fruit. Pomegranate. Can you see the picture? Yes. And plants give vegetables. Yes, different type of vegetables plants give. Can you see the picture of vegetables? Which vegetables can you see? Which vegetables can you see? Look the picture. Look the picture. Which vegetables can you see? Can you see tomato in red color? Tomato in red color. Can you see cucumber? Can you see cucumber? Can you see the picture of spinach? Spinach. in bowl. Spinach is in bowl. Okay, can you see onion? Yes. Red chili, red chili, can you see? Yes. Potato, do you like potato? Yes. And cereals, what are cereals? Last time we studied what are cereals. What are cereals? What are cereal plants? What are cereal plants? Plants that gives grains. Plants that give grains. Plants that gives grain are called cereals. Okay. And plants also give sugar. Yes, sugar. 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 Oil, do you use hair oil? Yes, many oil, we will study about oil. Spices, okay, there are many kind of spices: turmeric, cumin, clove. Okay, so plants give us all these things. What does a plant give? Plant give fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, coffee, tea, sugar, oil, and spices. Okay, now let's begin today's class. Okay, now we will study new topic. Plants give us many different things. Okay, let's begin. Now let's move on the next point. Okay, kids. So we already studied plants give fruit, plants give vegetables, plants give spices. But apart from these, plants give us many things. Look the screen. What I have written. I have written a line. I am reading. I am reading. I am reading. Plants, give, give, wood, wood, and paper. I am again reading. Plants give wood and paper. Yes. Plants give fruit, plants give vegetable, plants give spices, plants give sugar, plants give coffee, plants give tea. Plants also give wood and paper. Yes, plants give wood and paper. Plants give wood and paper. Plants give wood and paper. Yes. Wood, W. Can you see the picture of wood? Can you see the picture of paper? Can you see the picture of tree? Where is the picture of tree? Yes. Tree give wood, tree give paper. Yes. What is the spelling of wood? WOOD, wood. What is the spelling of paper? PAPER, paper. Yes. Paper, notebook paper, book paper, newspaper, all these paper of your copy, your notebook, paper of your book, paper, newspaper, magazines, they all are made of paper. Who gives paper? Plants. Plants, yes. Who give paper? Plants. Look, wood. Now, what do we make with the help of wood? What is the use of wood? What is the use of wood? Let's see. Now, let's move on the next point. Okay, kids. Now, let's see what is the use of wood. What is the use of wood? WOOD, wood. I am reading. WEV M-A-K-E, make, furniture, F-U-R-N-I-T-U-R-E, furniture, F-U-R-N-I-T-U-R-E, furniture, from, F-R-O-M, from, wood, W-O-O-D, wood. Yes, we make furniture from wood. We make furniture from wood. Yes, wood is used to make many things. Wood is used to make many things. Can you see the picture of a chair? Can you see the picture of chair? Can you see the picture of table? Small table. Can you see? Yes. Chair is made of wood. Table is made of wood. Yes. We make chair from wood. We make table from wood. Yes. Is there any chair in your school which is made of wood? Is there any chair in your school which is made of wood? Is there any table in your house which is made of wood? Is there any table in your house which is made of wood? Yes, we use many things which are made of wood. Find in your house how many things are made of wood. Find in your house. Find in your house how many things are made of wood. Okay, so remember, we make furniture. Yes, different furniture. We make almirah. Yes, almirah also made of wood. Yes. Okay. Spoon. There are many spoon made of wood. Yes. Desk. Desk is also made of wood. Okay. Understood? Now let's see some more uses of wood. Let's see some more uses of wood. Now let's move on the next point. Okay kids, now look the screen. Look the screen. I am reading the first line which is written above at the top. At the top I am reading USES, uses of PLANTS, plants. Uses of plants, wood, WOOD, wood. Yes, so we are reading uses of wood means uses of plants. We are reading uses of wood means uses of plants. So plants give wood and paper. Plants give wood and paper. We make furniture from wood. Yes. Look on the screen. Look on the screen. Which is the first picture? Which is the first picture? Paper. Yes. We also make paper. I have already told you. We also make paper. I have already told you. Look the second picture. Spoons. Yes. These spoons are used in ice cream to eat ice cream. These spoons. What is the spelling of spoon? S-P-O-O-N-S, spoons. Again S-P-O-O-N-S, spoon. Look the third picture. Chopstick. Yes, chopstick. Where did you see chopstick? What is the spelling? C-H-O-P-S-T-I-C-K-S, chopsticks. CHOPSTICKS, chopsticks. Look the fourth picture. Pencil. Yes, do you use pencil? You know already spelling of pencil. Tell me what is the spelling of pencil? Pencil. Now look the fifth picture. Fifth picture. Bat. Can you see the picture of bat? Can you see the picture of bat? B-A-T, bat. B-A-T, bat. Yes. Do you play with bat? Do you have bat? Do you play with bat? Do you have bat? I have a bat. I have a bat. Now look the next picture. Bed. Yes, this is bed. Wooden bed. Yes, it is made of wood. That's why it is wooden bed. What is the spelling of wooden bed? W-O-O-D-E-N. Wooden. W-O-O-D-E-N. Wooden. B-E-D. Bed. Wooden bed. Can you see the picture of door? Next picture. Next picture. Door. Yes, it is door. Wooden door. It is door. It is also made of wood. Door. What is the spelling of door? D-O-O-R. Door. D-O-O-R. Door. Look the last picture. Chair. Yes, I said some second ago, few second ago, I said we make chair of wood. Okay. What is the spelling of chair? What is the spelling of chair? C-H-A-I-R. C-H-A-I-R. Chair. Okay. Understood? Now let's move on the next point. Now kids, let's see some oil plant. Plants give oil. I am reading the first line, black color line. I am reading the first line in black color. P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. G-I-V-E, give. O-I-L, oil. Yes, plants give oil. Plants give oil. Yes. Plants give oil. Yes, there are many plants which gives oil. Can you see the picture of four plants picture? Can you see the picture of four plants? Which is the first plant? What is the name of first plant? What is the name of first plant? The name of first plant is castor. What is the spelling? Look the screen. I am reading. C-A-S-T-O-R. C-A-S-T-O-R. Castor. Yes. What is the name of this plant? This is castor plant. Yes. What is the name? Castor. Castor. Look the second picture. Look the second picture. What is the name of this plant? The name of this plant is sunflower. Yes, what is the name? Sunflower. What is the spelling of sunflower? S-U-N-F-L-O-W-E-R. Sunflower. Yes. Look the third picture. Third picture. What is the name of third number plant? What is the name of third number plant? Mustard. Yes. Look the spelling. What is the spelling of mustard? M-U-S-T-A-R-D. Mustard. Yes. Now look the fourth plant. What is the name of fourth plant? Coconut. Yes. What is the spelling of coconut? C-O-C-O-N-U-T. Coconut. Okay. All these plants give oil. What is the name of first plant? What is the name of first plant? Castor. Yes. Castor plant give castor oil. Castor plants give castor oil. What is the name of second plant? What is the name of second plant? Sunflower. Sunflower gives sunflower oil. Yes. What is the name of third plant? What is the name of third plant? The name of third plant is mustard. Mustard plant give mustard oil. Mustard plant gives mustard oil. What is the name of fourth plant? Coconut. Yes, coconut plant gives coconut oil. Okay. Now let's move on the next point. So kids, now you already know plants give oil. Plants give oil. Now let's read a new topic. Plants give rubber. Plants give rubber. I am reading the first line, which is at the top. P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. G-I-V-E, give. R-U-B-B-E-R, rubber. Yes, plants give rubber. Yes, plants give rubber. Can you see the picture of rubber tree? Can you see the picture of rubber tree? Yes. Can you see the white color juice looking like milk? Can you see the picture of white color juice looking like milk? It is looking just like white milk. Can you see? Yes. Rubber tree gives rubber juice, white color juice. This is called rubber juice. Yes, rubber tree gives white color rubber juice. Yes, this white color juice is used to make eraser, tire. Yes, can you see the picture of eraser? Can you see the picture of eraser? Yes. Do you use eraser? Do you use eraser? What is the spelling of eraser? What is the spelling of eraser? E-R-A-S-E-R, eraser. E-R-A-S-E-R, eraser. Can you see the picture of tire? Can you see the picture of tire? Yes. Plant rubber is also used to make tire. Rubber is used to make erasers, tires, and pipes. What is the spelling of tire? What is the spelling of tire? T-Y-R-E, tire. T-Y-R-E, tire. Okay. So rubber is used to make eraser, tire, pipes. Rubber is used to make eraser, tire, pipe. And who gives rubber? Who gives rubber? Rubber tree gives rubber. Rubber tree gives rubber. Rubber tree gives rubber juice. Can you see white color juice? It is rubber juice. Okay, understood? Now let's move on the next point. Okay, kids. Now let's study next point, new topic. Plants give gum. I am reading the first line. I am reading the first line at the top. At the top, which is written at the top. Plants. Give. Gum. Yes, plants give gum. Yes, plants give gum. Yes, gum. Do you use gum? Gum means glue. Gum means glue. Do you use glue? Yes. When your classmate tear the notebook, you put the glue. Your mother used glue to stick the paper. Yes, glue. Plants give gum. Yes, plants give gum. So, which plants give gum? What is the name of plant who give gum? What is the name of plant who give gum? Kicker tree gives gum. Kicker tree gives gum. Can you see the picture of kicker tree? Can you see the picture of kicker tree? Yes, kicker tree. What is the spelling of kicker tree? The spelling of kicker tree, K-I-K-A-R, kicker, T-R-E-E, tree. I am again speaking. I am again speaking the spelling, K-I-K-A-R, kicker, T-R-E-E, tree, kicker tree. Yes, kicker tree gives gum, and gum is used to make glue. Kicker tree gives gum, and gum is used to make glue. Kicker trees give gum, and gum is used to make glue. Okay. Look the second picture. Can you see the flower of kicker tree? Can you see the flower of kicker tree and fruit of kicker tree? Yes. Kicker tree leaves. The leaves of kicker tree are eaten by goats. Yes. Goat. Goat. Do you know goat? Goat like leaves of kicker tree. Goat likes leaves of kicker tree. So, remember, plants give gum. Which plant? What is the name of plant who give gum? What is the name of plant who give gum? Kikar tree. Yes. Okay. Understood. Now let's move on the next point. So friends, what did we study today? We study plants give wood, plants give rubber, plants give oil, plants give gum. Next topic, plants give fibers. Plants give fibers. Look the screen, I am reading the first line. I am reading the first line. Plants, plants, give, fibres, fibers. Plants give fiber. Yes, plants give fiber. Do you know the name of any fiber? Cotton. Jute, yes, cotton and jute are fiber. What is the meaning of fiber? What is the meaning of fiber? What is the meaning of fiber? Fiber is a thin thread like structure. Yes, fiber is a thin thread like material. Fiber is thin thread. Ask to your mother what is thread. Thin thread like material. Yes. Okay, it is very thin. Fiber is very thin. Fiber is very thin. Fiber is very thin. Yes. Cotton is a fiber. Jute is a fiber. Can you see the picture of cotton plant? Can you see the picture of cotton plant? Cotton white color, white. Can you see the picture of cotton plant? What is the spelling of cotton? What is the spelling of cotton? Cotto and cotton. Cotto and cotton. Yes, this is cotton plant. This is cotton plant. And what does cotton plant give? Cotton plant gives cotton fiber. Cotton plants gives cotton fiber. Cotton plants give cotton fiber. Look the picture of jute plant. Look the picture, green leaves, green leaves. Can you see the picture of jute plant? Jute, jute, yes. So this is jute plant. This is jute plant. What does jute plant give? What does jute plant give? Jute plants give jute fibers. Jute plants give jute fibers. Okay, jute plants give jute fiber. Cotton plants give cotton fiber. So they give fiber. Plants give fiber. Plants give oil. Plants give rubber. Plants give wood. Plants give vegetables. Plants give fruits. Okay, understood. Now let's move on the next point. Kids, what is the use of cotton? What is the use of cotton? What is the use of cotton fiber? Can you tell me? Look the screen. I am reading the first line. I am reading the first line. WEVMAKE, make. CLOTHES, clothes. FROM, from. COTTON, cotton. Yes, we make clothes from cotton. Yes, we make clothes from cotton. We make clothes from cotton fiber. Yes. Can you see the picture of cotton? Can you see the picture? Look the picture of cotton. Look the picture of cotton plant. White color cotton plant, white color. Can you see? Yes, cotton, cotton. Yes, we use it to make our clothes. We use cotton to make our clothes. Yes, your cotton, your clothes are made up of cotton. Your clothes are made up of cotton. Yes. What is the spelling of clothes? Can you see the picture of cloth? Can you see the picture of t-shirt? Can you see the picture of t-shirt? T-shirt is in white color. Yes. What is this? Is cloth. What is the spelling of clothes? Spelling of clothes, CLOTHES. clothes, clothes. Okay, so cotton fiber is used to make clothes. Yes, cotton fiber is used to make clothes. Cotton is used to make clothes. Okay, understood, kids? Now let's move on the next point. Okay, kids. Now, what is the use of jute? What is the use of jute? You already know what is the use of cotton. You know what you know. Do you know what is the use of cotton? What is the use of cotton? Look the picture of cotton. Look the picture of cotton. Cotton in white color. Can you see the picture of cotton white color? Yes, cotton is used to make clothes. Cotton is used to make clothes. Now, what is the use of jute? What is the use of jute? What is the use of jute? Can you see the picture of rope? Rope. Can you see the picture of rope? Can you see the picture of rope in brown color? What is the spelling of brown rope? What is the spelling of ropes? ROPES, ropes. ROPES, ropes. Yes, jute plant is used to make ropes. Jute plant is used to make ropes. Yes. And can you see the picture of sack? Can you see the picture of sack? SACKS. 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 Yes. Jute plant is used to make sack. Jute plant is used to make sacks. Yes. In sack we put the wheat. In sack we put the wheat. We put the rice. Yes. So remember point number 1. Cotton plant is used to make clothes. We make clothes from cotton plants. We make clothes from cotton plant. We make clothes from cotton plant. What is the use of jute? Jute is used to make rope and sack. Jute is used to make rope and sack. So jute, we make rope and sack from jute. We make rope and sack from jute. We make rope and sack from jute. Okay, understood? Now let's move the next point. Okay, kids, now let's see some more uses. Let's see some more uses. I am reading the line, black color line. I am reading the first line which is in black color. Okay. PLANTS, plants. GIVE, give. SOAP, soap. And TOOTHPASTE, toothpaste. I am again reading PLANTS, plants. GIVE, give. SOAP, soap. And TOOTHPASTE, toothpaste. Yes, plants give soap and toothpaste. Plants give soap and toothpaste. Plants give soap and toothpaste. Yes, we use plants to make soap and to make toothpaste. Yes, so actually we use juice and oil of plants. We use juice and oil of plants to make soap and toothpaste. We use juice and oil of plants to make soap and toothpaste. Yes, soap. Can you see the picture of soap? Can you see the picture of soap? Which soap is it? This is Dettol soap. This is Dettol soap. Can you see the picture of toothpaste? Can you see the picture of toothpaste? Yes, this is Himalaya toothpaste. Yes, you should use toothpaste. You should brush your teeth every day. Okay, which is the good toothpaste? Do you know which is the good toothpaste? Do you know? The best toothpaste is Dabur Lal Dant Manjan. Yes, you should use Dabur Lal Dant Manjan. It is the best toothpaste because Colgate is not Ayurvedic. It is chemical there. And if you think Patanjali toothpaste, do you use Patanjali toothpaste? Patanjali toothpaste is also not Ayurvedic. Yes, it contains many chemicals. Yes, only Dabur Lal Dant Manjan toothpaste is a Ayurvedic toothpaste. Okay, so plants give soap and toothpaste. Plants give soap and toothpaste. Okay, now let's move on the next point. Okay, so kids, plants give cotton fiber, plants give jute fiber, plants give soap, plants give toothpaste, plants give oil, plants give wood, plants give gum, plants give rubber. We studied all these. Next topic. I'm reading the first line, black color. In black color, I'm reading the first line. Plants give perfume. Plants plants. Give perfume. Perfume. Yes. Plants give perfume. Yes. Perfume. Do you use perfume? Which perfume do you use? Plants give perfume. Yes, you can see the picture of perfume. Can you see the first picture? This is rose perfume. Yes, rose smell is inside it. This is rose perfume. Second picture, this is jasmine perfume. Yes, plants give perfume. We use many flowers. We use many flower to make perfume. Scent. We use many flower to make perfume scent. Rose flower, jasmine flower. Look the line. I'm reading the line. I'm reading the line. ROSE rose, AND and JASMINE jasmine, FLOWERS flowers, ARER used, TO2 make, perfumes. Yes, rose and jasmine flowers are used to make perfume. Rose and jasmine flowers are used to make perfume. What is the spelling of rose? What is the spelling of rose? The spelling of rose, ROSE. ROSE. What is the spelling of jasmine? What is the spelling of jasmine? JASMINE. Jasmine. Yes. So plants are used to make perfume. Rose and jasmine flower are used to make perfume. Okay, kids, understood? Now let's move on the next point. Okay, kids. Now let's see all uses from beginning. Let's see the summary. Let's read in short. Now we will study all this topic in short. Okay, whatever we studied. Okay. Can you see the picture of wheat? WHEAT. WHEAT. Can you see the picture of wheat? WHEAT. Yes. What is this? Wheat is a cereal. Wheat is a cereal. What is wheat? Wheat is a cereal. And plants give cereal. Look the next picture. Pasta. 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 Yes. We make pasta. Pasta is a food that we get from plants. Look the next picture, cotton. Can you see the picture of cotton? COTTON. 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 Yes. Cotton is a fiber. Cotton is a fiber. We get cotton from cotton plant. We get cotton from cotton plant. And jute also. Jute is a fiber. Cotton is a fiber. Can you see the picture of t-shirt? Orange color t-shirt. Yes, t-shirt. We make clothes from cotton. we makes cloth from cotton. Okay, can you see the picture of aloe vera? Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a plant which is used to make sun cream. Can you see the picture of table? Where is the picture of table? Where is the picture of table? Can you see the picture of table? Table. Table is made of wood. Yes, we make table from wood. We make table from wood. Yes, can you see the picture of tree? Which tree? Pine tree. Can you see the picture of tree? Pine. Pine. Tree. Tree. Pine tree. Yes, so pine tree is used to make table furniture. Yes, we make different type of furniture. We make window, we make door, we make bed, we make chair, we make table. Okay, we make almirah. All these are uses. Okay, and also plants give fruit. We also use plants give gum. Which plant give gum? Kicker tree. Which plants give gum? Kicker tree. And plants is also used to make rubber tire pipe. Which plants give rubber? Rubber tree. Yes, rubber tree give white color juice. And plants give oil. Plants give oil. Which plants give oil? Castor plant, sunflower, coconut. Okay, understood? Now let's move on the last point. Okay, kids, now this is the time to ask you question. This is the time to ask you question. Look the screen. I have written three question I have written. I am reading first question. I am reading first question. WRITE, right? THE, the USES, uses of WOOD, wood. Write the uses of wood. What is the use of wood? Can you tell me? We make furniture from wood. Yes, we make furniture from wood. Yes, which furniture do we make? Which furniture? Few moment ago I told you which furniture do we make. We make chair, we make table, we make window, we make door, we make almirah, we make desk. Yes, okay. Now question number two. Question number two. I am reading question number two. WHICH, which FIBRES, fibers, DO, PLANTS, plants, GIVE, give. Which fibers do plants give? Which fibers plants give? Plants give cotton fiber, jute fiber. Yes, plants give cotton fiber and jute fiber. Yes, cotton fiber is used to make clothes. Cotton fiber is used to make clothes. Jute fiber is used to make rope and sack. Jute fiber is used to make rope and sack. Question number three. Question number three. Write. I am reading. WRITE, write. ANYNE, 5 USES, uses of PLANTS, plants. Write any 5 uses of plant. Okay, 5 uses of plant. Use number 1. Plants give oil. Use number 2. Plants give gum. Use number 3. Plants give rubber. Use number 4. Plants give perfume. Use number 5. Plants give wood. Use number 6. Plants give soap and toothpaste. Yes. So again, plants give wood. Plants give wood. Plants give perfume. Plants give perfume. Plants give wood. Okay. Plants give gum. Plants give gum. Plants give rubber. Plants give rubber. Okay. Plants give oil. Plants give oil. Plants give soap and toothpaste. Okay, understood? Our lesson is finished today. Okay, now we will meet in new lesson. Okay, till then, goodbye.